What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of What's Up Next. I'm your host, John Parker. We have some Battle Spirits Saga, Dawn of History. In the back here, we've got 68 commons, 32 uncommons, 24 rares, 12 the regular rares, 11 special rares, and 1 Saga rare. Alright, let's see what we're going to get out of this bad boy. Let's see, let's check it out. Not gonna be able to do that. Here we go. There we go. Oh yeah, it's open. It's open. Okay, here we go. Got the Phobos Dragon. Phobos Dragon. Dark Knight Agalaval. Dark Knight Agalaval. Flying Turtle. What? It's a flying turtle. Oh, there we go. An Aviraptodon. That's cool. Fairy Flautist. Fairy Flautist. Rotting Swamp. Pantanchick. Suppression. Volcanic Canyon. Phantasm Arcing Xenos. Wow. Cool. Ooh, look, I got another Phobos Dragon. This one's hollow. 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 Ooh, Dinosaur Harrier Turbo Rex. More Power Ranger stuff going on here. Go Power Rangers! Oh, and then that would be it for the day. We got a 5 core on this one. 5 core. Alrighty, guys. Cool. X. Alpha. Rita's escaped. Oh no, Zordon. Alrighty, guys. Thank you guys so much. Definitely hit the like, subscribe, and comment what's open next. Yeah, we're going to be opening up more packs, so stay tuned. Stay tuned, and I will catch you guys later.